I honestly feel that the ambience of a place makes a lot of difference in how you feel. So when I entered this place for the first time, I felt so open, so free, so relaxed because there are open spaces around the center where you can just sit, meditate, you can take a book. When you go inside the cabin and you actually have a session, nothing feels hard hitting on you. It feels like you're at home, you're at a safe place where you can talk and vent out and just be completely fine. And that's how I felt when I was here.
Therapy sessions that I had with ma'am were really insightful because they taught me one major thing, that there will be times when you won't fit into the traditional stereotypes created by society. You will be different, but it is fine. You have to appreciate your uniqueness.
I was looking for counseling for mental health problems, and actually I came to know about Anushka ma'am. So I visited the office. Anushka ma'am has a very non-judgmental approach. She motivated me. She gave me many coping strategies, which helped me in my day-to-day life in coping with my anxiety and other mental problems.
तो मेरे को भी काफ़ी गुस्सा होता था, मैं भी मम्मी पे थोड़ा सा रूड बिहेव करने लग जाता हूँ, तो काफ़ी हमारे क्लैशेस होते रहते थे घर में। उससे घर का एनवायरनमेंट में बहुत नेगेटिविटी आ जाती थी। एंड फिर जहाँ तक कि पापा की बात करें तो पापा से मुझको ऐसा कोई वो नहीं हुआ करता था, मतलब दिक्कत नहीं थी। बट हम लोग का जैसे व्यापार है हमारा, तो हमको व्यापार में मैं कुछ करना चाहता, मेरी थिंकिंग या थॉट्स कुछ अलग होती थी। मैं ऐसा करना चाहता तो पापा उसको हमेशा कि नहीं ऐसा नहीं वैसा करना है। तो बस वही होता था कि हमेशा मैं कुछ चाहता हूँ तो वहाँ पे भी काफ़ी क्लैशेस होते थे। या ऐसा भी हो सकता है कि शायद मेरी जो चीज़ है वो उन तक के प्रॉपरली पहुँच नहीं पाती थी। तो मतलब मैं एकदम ऐसे होता था कि झगड़ा हो रहा है तो यार मैं मुंह फुला के बैठ जाया करता था।
जीवन में संवाद को हम बहुत महत्वपूर्ण मानते हैं। कई बार हम अपनी समस्याओं को अपने दृष्टिकोण से और अपनी सुविधाओं के हिसाब से ढालने का प्रयास करते हैं, क्योंकि हमारा मन मस्तिष्क कहीं ना कहीं उतने ही क्षेत्र में और उतने ही दायरे में चलता है, तो समस्या को समाधान भी हम उतने ही दायरे में ढूंढने का प्रयास करते हैं। लेकिन संवाद जब किसी और के साथ में बैठ करके करते हैं तो उनके विचार और हमारे विचार जब इकट्ठे होते हैं तो विचारों का आदान प्रदान एक बहुत बड़ी श्रृंखला है। ये श्रृंखला जीवन में कभी बंद नहीं होनी चाहिए। जब किसी भी विषय के ऊपर में अगर आप डिस्कशन या विचार रखने जाते हैं तो 4-6 लोग के साथ में बैठ कर अगर आप विचार करेंगे तो निश्चित तौर पे उसका समाधान ज़्यादा बेहतर और अच्छे ढंग से आपको मिलेगा।
ट्रीटमेंट के बाद फ़र्क ये आया है कि हम लोगों ने अपने आप को, मतलब मैं क्या चाहता हूँ, पापा क्या चाहते हो, हम लोग का प्रॉपरली मतलब आपस में बातचीत हो जाती है, तो सब सॉर्ट आउट हो गया। काफ़ी चेंजेस आ गए उसमें और काफ़ी मतलब आगे की फ्यूचर के लिए गोल्स हैं, क्या लाइंस बोलना चाहिए, तो वो सब क्लियर हो गई है।
हाँ, तो ओवरऑल द वर्किंग एक्सपीरियंस इन दिस ऑफिस इज़ प्रैक्टिकल ओरिएंटेड, नॉट जस्ट द थियरी पार्ट। So I have been studying theory, psychology का theory for a long time now, and I rarely got an opportunity to actually apply it. So this coming to this office and coming to this space actually gave me the confidence to apply those skills that I had acquired in the theory session.
Ambience of this center is such that it just helps you loosen up, and definitely when you visit the center the feel is different, but it is difficult for the counselor and the therapist to sort of connect with you online, and that is what I think Anushka ma'am did really well. She really connected with me even though the sessions were online.
Ago, I was not able to speak. I felt I was so much muddled in my own thoughts that I cannot really express myself. I can't really speak freely. I am having trouble forming sentences. That was the kind of struggles I was having. I feel like my brain has opened up, my confidence has boosted a lot, and I am able to tackle situations and handle it on my own rather than looking for someone to take care of it. I think when you are in that state of sadness or down, you don't really connect with music that well, and sometimes you just need some kind of an external source to connect you to music in that way. And for me, music therapy has really helped me. So when I had that session with ma'am asked me to play this djembe. So I didn't know about this instrument before that, and after I was introduced to it, I just could not stop playing it. And
Counseling has also taught me that all feelings are valid. Everything that you feel and think is linked to something that you have experienced. Every feeling is valid, should be treated well. No feeling is wrong. That's what therapy has.
I also was a part of various workshops conducted by Anushka ma'am. Like one of them was a past life therapy workshop. So overall, everything helped me a lot in coping with my mental problems. And so my humble request to everyone having mental problems would be to opt for therapy, to go for therapy, and do not ignore your mental problems. And you're not alone in this. You have got this. More power to you. Peace.